ready for Florida. Bright and early. The truck's on here backwards, which I'm sure is great for the aerodynamics.
We'll probably update you along the way.
Oh yeah, when the truck falls off and stuff like that.
Yeah, but otherwise,
we'll be in
see you in Florida.
Freedom Factory
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we should have just drove the Ranger. This is a trek. The van is getting the worst gas mileage in history. It keeps raining, which is awesome, and the whole car is just swaying.
So you're having a good time.
The best of times.
Okay.
We should have just shipped the car. It would have been cheaper.
Okay, first driver change. You ready?
Oh, almost there.
How close are we?
Thrilled. At least halfway.
Nope. We're back. Ah, Kentucky! We made it out of Illinois.
The greatest state on earth.
Which one, Kentucky or Illinois?
Kentucky is the unrivaled spirit.
Oh, made it to Kentucky. Not even halfway there yet. It has taken significantly longer than we anticipated, so we might not be stopping tonight. Just driving straight on through the night. Straps are tight though.
Yeah?
I checked it, we're good.
That's good.
Yeah.
I feel like we should back the truck up.
We gotta check for a fuel economy this time.
Yeah, it's going. There's a lot of pressure in the gas tank.
8.6 is not good. Yeah. It ain't going anywhere. Back on the road. There's the border. Ah, Tennessee.
The volunteer state.
Really?
They don't got no taxes. Basically, the plan is 6 o'clock. Nate drives for the next 16 hours.
Great plan. Let's move.
Got the mood. You know, I'm feeling the tacos.
Let's get this show on the road. This guy just got us down to $2.45 a gallon. I don't know what he signed up for, but
50 cents a gallon.
you did good. We made it to Georgia. The time is now 10:30 p.m. Anthony is asleep on the floor. It's a nice looking place. Too bad we can't sleep here. It's taking forever. I thought we'd have been here at 11 p.m. So, we're doing great.
It's foggy as We in Florida, you know, almost to the Freedom Factory. About to win a race, you know. Doing big things. I'm on a big bridge. We're in Bradenton, the friendly city. We got a lot to look forward to here. They're friendly, and the Freedom Factory racetrack. That's what he had to do.
We made it. We are here at the Freedom Factory. We made it. Oh, it's glorious. Just take it in.
I think it's halfway in here.
Yeah. 40. Okay.
The bottom of this is hot.
Oh, is it?
Hot. Toasty.
So you're a liar.
Call me a liar?
Yep. Gotta get her looking spiffy before practice. Oh, let's not bring that up. Oh.
This guy. You gotta shine the rust. That's the most important part.
Yeah.
Make sure it pops.
It's almost time for practice. Time to get suited up. Go. What's up?
What do you think?
This wreck is fast.
Yeah.
Well, the first practice went well. Very hot out though, so I don't know how we're gonna do that on Saturday. 60 laps, I was like there for 5 and I was about dead, so. Whew. He's warming his soup for dinner later. That's gonna do it for practice. See you on Saturday for the race.